Welcome to the bridge, the brain of the ship. First of all, here you have these two shelves where you can leave your belongings. But please don't leave too many stuff. Here is a fridge where you can find soft drinks and beer, but remember, beer is only allowed when we are in the harbor. Also remember to mark your name and pay the drinks after the trip. Remember to crush the can and put it to the bin. Here is the chart table where you're gonna do the position check. Remember to don't spend too much time on the bridge because it's a place for work. And that's all for the bridge. Thank you.